Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David. Now, if you've ever wanted to build a professional website that actually looks impressive, grabs attention, and helps you generate leads or sales, you probably already know how frustrating the process can be. You may need a designer for the visuals, a developer to build the site, a copywriter for the content, SEO tools to optimize everything, and then even more tools to add animations and other features. And after all that work, you still have to figure out how to turn the website into something that actually makes money. But what if you could simply tell AI what kind of website you want, and it could handle the design, content, animations, optimization, hosting, and launch for you? Well, that's exactly what we're going to look at today with Cinematic Sites AI. And before we jump into what Cinematic Sites AI actually is, make sure you check out the link in the description box. I've put together a full written Cinematic Sites AI review where you can see the complete details, including the OTO options, discount offer, and the all-in-one bundle deal. And I'm also giving away some special bonuses covering different areas of digital marketing designed to help you get more value from Cinematic Sites AI and boost your results. So definitely check the link in the description before making any decision.
What if the next website you needed didn't require you to build it? No spending hours dragging blocks around, no staring at a blank page wondering what to write. No designer, no developer, no animation expert. No trying to stitch together 5 different tools just to get one website online. Instead, what if you could simply tell a team of AI website agents what you wanted and let them do the heavy lifting? That's exactly what we created. Introducing Cinematic Sites AI. And this is not just another AI website builder, because traditional website builders still give you the work. They give you templates, they give you blocks, they give you editors. Then they expect you to figure everything out. Cinematic Sites AI takes a completely different approach. It gives you your own specialized AI website workforce. A designing agent works on the visual direction. A writing agent creates the content. A copywriting agent sharpens your headlines and calls to action. An images and graphics agent handles the visuals. An optimization agent works on performance, SEO, and responsiveness. A reviewing agent checks the website. An analytics agent helps track performance. And an AI sales agent can engage your visitors around the clock. Different agents, different jobs, all working toward one goal: building the website you asked for. And using them is ridiculously simple. Watch this. I can type something as simple as create a premium website for a roofing company in Miami, then click generate. And now my website agents go to work. I'm not manually designing every section. I'm not writing all the copy. I'm not programming animations. I'm not trying to make everything responsive. The agents are doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. And then this appears. Look at this. Movement, depth, cinematic scrolling, premium typography, interactive sections, 3D effects. The kind of website that immediately feels different. Because here's the problem with most AI website builders. AI has made it easier than ever to create a website, but it has also created an ocean of websites that look exactly the same. Same hero, same cards, same layout, same generic template. And when your business looks like everyone else, you become incredibly easy to ignore. Cinematic Sites AI was created to change that, to create websites that make somebody stop, look, and think, who built that? But looking incredible is only half the story, because these websites aren't designed to just sit there looking pretty. They're designed to help businesses actually do business.
Capture leads, book appointments, accept payments, showcase products and services, connect to custom domain, work across desktop and mobile, optimize for search, and deploy an AI sales agent that can engage visitors, answer questions, capture leads, and help move prospects toward taking action. And when you want to change something, you don't need to start digging through complicated code. Tell the AI what you want changed, customize the result, and stay in control. Now here's where this becomes really interesting, Because you don't have to use Cinematic Sites AI only for your own websites. You can use it to build websites for clients. Think about the businesses around you: roofers, dentists, restaurants, law firms, hotels, realtors, gyms, coaches, consultants, local businesses. They all need an online presence, and businesses can spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars getting professional websites created. Now imagine walking into that market with this: a luxury hotel, a restaurant, a dentist, a real estate company, a gym, a contractor, a coach, an agency, all created with your AI website workforce doing the heavy lifting. A client tells you what they need, you turn that request into a prompt, your agents get to work, you customize the website, you deliver it, and you get paid. Then you find another client and do it again, and again, and again. Build it, sell it, hand it over, repeat. That's why I don't want you looking at Cinematic Sites AI and thinking, another website builder. I want you thinking, who could I build my first website for? Because one professional website project could potentially be worth hundreds or thousands, depending on what you offer and what the client needs. And yet, during this special launch, you can get started with Cinematic Sites AI today for just $27.95 one time.
Not $97 every month, not hundreds of dollars just to experiment, just $27.95 one time for access to an AI-powered website creation platform you can put to work again and again within the limits of your plan. And your purchase is backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can get inside, give your website agents an idea, and see what they can create for yourself. Now ask yourself one question. The next time you need a website, do you want another piece of software that gives you more work? Or would you rather have AI website agents working with you? One idea, one prompt, an entire specialized AI website team working together to create something designed to look premium, feel different, and help turn visitors into leads, appointments, and customers. And if you decide to use it for clients, you now have something businesses can actually see the value in. Stop settling for boring templates. Stop building everything from scratch. Stop letting website creation eat up days of your time. Put your idea into Cinematic Sites AI and put your website agents to work. Click the button below, get Cinematic Sites AI today for just $27.95 one time, and start creating your first cinematic website. Cinematic Sites AI. Don't build websites, deploy website agents.
All right, let's talk pricing, starting with the front-end offer. Cinematic Sites AI Extreme, that gives you everything you need to start creating and selling websites right away. Inside, you can create up to 60 immersive 3D websites, each with its own white-label client dashboard. You get 25 custom domains, 50 free subdomains so you can publish instantly, and 25 separate workspaces to keep everything organized. You'll also get 300 AI logos, 200 proven outreach templates, full HTML downloads, unlimited editor access, and a white label license so you can deliver sites under your own brand. On top of that, every site comes with Google Schema, automated sitemaps, AI-optimized structure, the ability to restore previous versions, 60 AI sales agents, and 30,000 AI prompt editing credits. You can generate up to 1,000 qualified leads, send 1,000 automated outreach emails, capture thousands of leads every month, and take appointment bookings directly on your sites. Plus, you get 2 full years of high-speed hosting, support for up to 30,000 visitors per site, free SSL, 300 AI image and video credits, and free payment system integration so customers can pay you right on the website. And of course, the complete AI workforce is included. Designing, writing, copywriting, images and graphics, optimization, analytics, and reviewing agents, all working for you. OTO 1, Cinematic Sites AI Advanced. This is the big step up in volume and agency power. You can create up to 120 websites, connect 120 custom domains, and get 120 white label client dashboards across 100 workspaces. You also unlock 120 AI sales agents, more AI logo and image credits, 3 years of high-speed hosting, HTML export, and a full commercial agency license so you can sell websites under your own brand and keep 100% of the profits. OTO 2. Cinematic Sites, AI Pro Edition. This one unlocks the premium experience. You get advanced AI website models, the premium OpenClaw AI engine, a bigger design and font library, smarter appointment and lead tools, advanced analytics, stronger AI SEO, and enterprise-level features. It also includes a Commercial Pro license, plus priority updates and premium support. OTO 3, Cinematic Sites AI Done For You Edition. If you want everything handled for you, this is it. The team builds a complete cinematic website tailored to your business, custom branding, content, lead capture, email automation, analytics, domain setup, and full technical configuration. You also get 100 ready-to-launch done-for-you campaigns and expert support so you can go live without doing the heavy lifting yourself. OTO 4, Cinematic Sites AI Agency. This turns the software into a full agency system. You get a commercial agency license, up to 100 client websites, unlimited workspaces, a complete agency management dashboard, client proposal templates, reporting tools, and OpenClaw AI website agents. You keep 100% of your profits and can offer high-ticket packages and monthly management services across almost any niche, all without coding or hiring developers. OTO 5, Claw Agents AI. This expands far beyond websites. You get access to 58 specialized AI agents, plus multiple premium models in one dashboard. Just give natural language instructions and the right agent handles content, copywriting, sales, SEO, research, social media, YouTube, email outreach, e-commerce, coding, images, analytics, and more. It comes with a commercial license and can replace a whole stack of separate AI tools. OTO 6, AI Talker. This OTO is all about professional voice. You can design custom voices, add emotions, match them to your brand, and create personality-based narrations for ads, podcasts, YouTube, VSLs, e-learning, and more. It supports multiple languages, includes audio enhancement and mixing tools, video transcription, and even VSL script generation, all running in the cloud with no software or microphone needed. Now, do you want to grab everything for a massively discounted price? That's exactly what the all-in-one bundle gives you. It includes the full front-end core package, plus every single upgrade, including OTO 1, Cinematic Sites AI Advanced, OTO 2, Cinematic Sites AI Pro Edition, OTO 3, Cinematic Sites AI Done For You Edition, OTO 4, Cinematic Sites AI Agency, OTO 5, Claw Agents AI, and OTO 6, AI Talker. Instead of buying them one by one, you get the complete system in one shot. The highest website limits, premium features, done-for-you setup, full agency tools, 58 extra AI agents, and professional voice technology, all locked in at a much lower total price. This is clearly the best value option if you want maximum power and the complete toolkit right from the start.
Alright guys, now before I break down the product, I want to show you something real, live, and right now. I'm opening this affiliate dashboard on my phone and I'm going to refresh it in front of you so you can see these are no screenshots and no edits. Just give me 1 second. So here we are where we are managing our invoices. So the commission that you are seeing here is $31.7 thousand, and it is shared with you with permission from my student. So when they follow this free traffic blueprint, and what I like about this blueprint is that it's built to work for both mid-ticket affiliate sales and high-ticket commissions using the same overall system. So if you want to copy the exact blueprint that we use, I've included inside my premium bonus bundle. You get lifetime access and lifetime updates. I don't sell it by itself and I don't post it publicly anywhere. It's only available through this video while it's live here right now in 2026. And in a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can claim it. So today we are going to be looking at a product that's been getting a ton of buzz lately. And I'm going to give you a straight, honest review. What it is, how it works, who it actually makes sense for, and whether it's worth buying or just another flashy offer. Before I show you the live demo, let me quickly talk about my bonuses, because this is what makes the deal a lot more valuable. If you buy this product using the first link in the description, you'll get 11 bonuses from me, and you don't have to chase me or message me back and forth, and the bonuses will be delivered to you automatically inside your portal once you have purchased. I've also added a bundle link in the description with a discount code, so make sure you use the second link down below to grab the special bundle discount plus bonuses. Alright, now let's get on through to the bonuses. Bonus number 1 is 1k leads per day on autopilot system, which is level 1. In this bonus, I show you how to get targeted buy leads every day using free traffic. It's not a get rich quick trick. It's a real step-by-step process. I'll show you where to go, where to find the leads, and how to collect them the right way. Then I'll show you how to email those leads using an own autoresponder that we can control even if we have 1 million of subscribers. And I'll guide you through the setup so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. And to prove this still works in 2026, I'll also show you one of our student results, how students are making high-ticket sales using this lead magnet blueprint. And yes, you can also use the same system to promote low-ticket offers too. Bonus number 2. This is 1k leads per day on autopilot system level 2. This is the next level after level 1. Once you finish the first system, level 2 shows you a more advanced and more unique way to build on it and push better results. Bonus number 3 is affiliates first dropship model. In this bonus, I'll show you how to monetize faceless YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram channels using a simple system that starts with affiliate marketing first and then add extra income streams like dropshipping, high-ticket offers, and ad revenue. No camera, no showing your face, and no experience needed. I'll also share a student example of what this model can lead to when done in the right way. Bonus number 4 is coupon and discount website course. This is one of my best training bonuses. I'll show you how to build a professional coupon and discount website from scratch, no coding. You'll also learn where to find fresh coupons, how to add coupons and stores manually, and then how to automate the websites using APIs so it can keep updating even when you're not working. I'll also cover free traffic strategies using SEO and social platforms, plus different ways to monetize like affiliate commissions, AdSense, and other smart methods. I'll also show you one of my students' results from using this exact coupon affiliate strategy so you can see the real numbers and what's possible when you follow this system. Bonus number 5 is the first commissions blueprint. This is a complete beginner-friendly training to help you get your first affiliate commission. I'll show you how to pick the right offer, join affiliate networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, ClickBank, and more, and promote offers using free traffic. If you want to scale later, I'll also explain paid ads in a simple way. We'll cover email marketing, simple funnels, and an easy customer journey that turns clicks into commissions. I'll also show you one of my students' real results so you can see what's possible when you follow this blueprint. Bonus number 6 is Zero Skill, Fiverr Cash Flow Blueprint. This bonus shows you how to start making money on Fiverr and other freelance platforms even if you have zero experience. You'll learn a simple workflow to write blog posts and articles as a beginner using helpful tools, templates, and a step-by-step process. So you don't need to be a pro writer. I'll also show you how to get clients faster using a proven outreach method, including cold email strategies instead of just waiting and hoping someone finds you a gig. And I'll show you my real Fiverr dashboard results as proof of what the method can do when really applied. These results are made in just 10 days of starting. Bonus number 7 is Rank and Bank Affiliate Sites Masterclass. In this bonus, I'll show you how to build affiliate websites that can earn passive income from free Google traffic. You'll learn how to choose a niche, find low competition keywords, structure your site so Google understands it, and build a clean WordPress affiliate site even if you're not technical. I'll also cover on-page SEO, a simple backlink plan, and how to improve your site speed using free plugins. I'll also show you real student results from using this exact blueprint. Bonus number 8 is ABC Profits. This is one of those CPA trainings people talk about for a reason. It's not random theory. It's built around a simple three-step plan. Pick the right CPA offer, set up a simple funnel, drive traffic, then scale. What's already working, and I like that you can also focus on the simple short page setup so you don't waste weeks building a complicated website. You still have to implement, but it's clear, structured, and action-based. I'm going to show you real student proof using this type of CPA system so that you can see what's possible when someone follows the steps and stays consistent. Bonus number 9 is Faceless AI Video. This is Storytelling Academy, and in this bonus you'll learn how to create faceless YouTube and TikTok videos using free AI tools even if you have zero editing skills. I'll walk you through script, music, visuals, and editing so you can make videos a little bit more faster. You'll follow real projects like short stories and more, and by the end you can build a portfolio of videos you can post and monetize. Bonus number 10 is AI Brand Studio. This is the bonus that shows you how to create professional YouTube videos, intros, promo videos, and ad creatives using AI. Even if you don't have a studio or editing experience, you learn how to build a virtual AI studio, create AI characters, or use your own photos, set up different angles in the camera, and produce polished videos with voiceovers, text-to-text speech, and lip sync. You'll also learn to make product promos, ebook ads, and brand visuals, then edit and publish them for YouTube and social media. Bonus number 11 is Digital Bonus Vault. This one is the biggest value booster. It's a full library of digital resources you can use again and again in mini courses, step-by-step trainings, templates, checklists, swipe files, tools, and extra access for traffic, content, and promotions. And also, you will get access to all full white label access where you can get 100% of your profits. Instead of just giving you one bonus, this is like a full support vault. You get lifetime access, and whenever I add new stuff, you get lifetime updates too, so it keeps growing over time. Now, let me show you how to get these bonuses. After you purchase using my link, you'll either get an email confirmation or you'll be redirected to the customer portal. Sometimes you may need to sign up or log in first. That's normal. Once you're inside the portal, look for the button that says Get Instant Access to Bonus for Buyer and click it. That will take you to my bonus page. Enter your details and you'll be sent to the page where you can access all the bonuses. From there, you can click any bonus and get instant access. And you can log in later anytime and access everything again. If you run into any problem, just email us at support@bonusforbuyer.com and we'll help you out. Alright, now let's jump into the product and I'll walk you through the full demo. And if this video helps you, hit like and subscribe. I'll be posting more reviews and bonus bundles soon.
Guys, take a look at these websites for a second. These are the kind of immersive, animated, premium websites. Wow, awesome! Freelancers and agencies can charge $2,000, $3,000, or even more to create for just one client. And normally, creating something like this takes serious design skills, coding, developers, complicated animations, and days or even weeks of work. But Cinematic Sites AI changes that completely. You give it just one simple prompt, and behind the scenes, Cinematic Sites AI activates 20+ specialized AI agents that collaborate together like your own private web design team. One agent plans the structure, another works on the copy, others handle the layouts, visuals, images, animations, 3D effects, mobile responsiveness, and overall experience, all working together to create a website that looks premium, immersive, and expensive. Now imagine being able to create this without coding, without being a professional designer, without learning complicated animation software, and without spending weeks building it. You simply create a workspace, start a client project, tell Cinematic Sites AI what you want, and let your team of AI agents do the heavy lifting. And while I'm showing you this today, don't just think, this could build my website. Think bigger. Restaurants, dentists, realtors, hotels, coaches, gyms, local businesses that are already paying freelancers and agencies thousands of dollars for premium websites. Imagine showing a prospect something that looks like a $2,000 plus custom-built website, while AI is doing most of the work behind the scenes. And even landing just one client could potentially pay for your investment many times over. That's why I want you to watch this demo very closely. Because rather than showing you screenshots and telling you what Cinematic Sites AI can do, I'm going to show you live, and you're going to watch these agents turn that prompt into an incredible website. All right, let's jump inside Cinematic Sites AI. Here's where it all starts. You log in, and as a first step, you need to create or select a workspace. Because if you're just running your own business, one workspace is all you need. But if you're an agency or a freelancer, or you're building sites for clients on the side, every single client can have their own sealed workspace, with their own sites, their own leads, their own analytics. Think about that for a second. That's a full agency business, unlocked on day one. Let's create a brand new workspace. Click on Workspace, enter my name as the workspace name, and then click Create. Now this is brand new workspace. Let me start by creating an awesome looking website. Click on New Site. 3 quick steps and Cinematic Sites AI gets all its 25 plus agents to get everything done for you. Let's start. Step 1. Business details. You can select from one of these category or custom if you want to start from a blank slate and describe something the world hasn't seen yet. Then choose your look. Immersive for cinematic scroll and depth. Or 3D for interactive scenes visitors can actually move through. Pick a category, and now you get another choice most builders never give you. How do you want to create your site? Prompt mode or details mode? Prompt mode is magic. You literally type a sentence. A high-end residential roofing company in Denver offering luxury roof installations, storm restoration, and a signature craft guarantee. Bold, dependable, cinematic. That's it. That's the whole brief. The AI reads it, understands it, and infers the rest. Or flip to details mode if you want more control. Now, you get proper fields like business name, what you do, location, phone, email. And notice this button, Enhance with AI. You write a rough sentence, click that button, and Cinematic Sites AI calls copywriting agent to write your description into professional conversion-ready copy in seconds. So even if writing isn't your strong suit, your website sounds like it was written by a top-tier agency. That alone is a copywriter you never have to hire again. Then the logo. 3 options right in the same screen. Upload your own logo. Generate with AI. Or pull one from the AI logo library. Generate with AI is a full AI logo generator agent baked right into Cinematic Sites AI. Not a link out to a paid tool, not a plugin. Built-in agent. Type your business name. Select these options as you like and hit generate. That's it. This is the kind of tool that used to cost you $300 and a 2-week wait on a designer marketplace. It's now a tab in your sidebar. Just that feature, on its own, is worth the price of admission. I've already created a logo for the business, so I'll simply upload my existing logo here. Step 2. Mode and domain. This is where you decide how cinematic you want the build to be. Quick mode is fast, clean, conversion ready, creates super fast, so you have a polished site live in minutes. Perfect for when you need to move now. Full polished mode goes deeper, richer motion, more immersive style, and fully 3D animated, a more thoroughly tuned AI agent. The result is a site that looks like it came out of a premium agency you couldn't afford. Freelancers and agencies charge over $2,000 just for sites like these. Then the domain, free subdomain if you don't have your own domain, or custom domain from your own verified domains, so it goes live at your own .com. Point and click, no DNS wrestling, no cPanel, And I will show you exactly how the domain side of this works in a minute, because it's beautifully simple. Click on Manage Custom Domains for this. I will select a custom domain. You can add and select your domains here, and then select the one you want to use. Step 3. And this is where a lot of website builders stop. Cinematic Sites AI is only getting started. Modules. Toggle what each site ships with. Lead generation. On. Every visitor detail captured through smart, high-converting forms, straight into your pipeline. AI-friendly. On. Your site is structured so that AI assistants and search engines can actually read it and recommend you. Because if your business isn't visible to AI in 2026, you're invisible. Google-friendly. On. Clean SEO. Schema.org markup baked in from day one, so you're ranking from the moment you go live, not 6 months later. Appointment booking. On. Every single site gets its own booking panel, its own dashboard. Define the appointment types, consultation, 30 minutes, whatever fits. Your customer picks a slot, it lands on your calendar, done. Next is the one I want you to really pay attention to. AI Sales Agent. A friendly chatbot on every page, trained automatically on your business, your services, your packages. It answers questions. It handles objections. It qualifies the visitor. It books the appointment. It captures the lead. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in every language your customers speak. And it never calls in sick. That's a full-time salesperson, on every page, forever. And the last one, payment system integration. And this is where our app truly stands out. Just add your package details, give your PayPal, and the sites will be ready to get payment for you 24/7. Awesome, right? Now hit generate. Watch this. Cinematic Sites AI queues your build and runs 6 live stages right in front of you. Understanding your business, crafting your brand and palette, building cinematic sections, the hero, the services, the testimonials, the motion-rich sections which your competitors can never have. Training your AI sales agent from your content, wiring booking and lead capture, and finally, queuing your build for the final push. Your new website generation takes only few minutes. That's it. Let's see what Cinematic Sites AI actually created. Wow! And this is where it gets seriously impressive. From a simple idea about a roofing company, it has generated a complete cinematic contractor website with a bold Summit Ridge hero, immersive 3D rooftop visuals, real craftsmanship detail, and a design that feels like it was built by a top-tier creative agency. Awesome, right? The hero pulls you in instantly. The services, craft, and standards sections guide visitors smoothly through the story. The projects section builds trust with real work, and every scroll leads naturally toward the free estimate and book inspection call to action. Everything feels premium, intentional, and conversion-focused. And it doesn't stop at building websites. Check this out. Right inside the dashboard, you've got a built-in appointment section that captures every booking your site brings in, so you never chase a lead again. And behind everything you're seeing, our AI agents are working around the clock, researching, writing, designing, generating visuals, verifying leads, and keeping your entire business running on autopilot. You focus on closing. Cinematic Sites AI handles the rest. Awesome, right? And remember, this wasn't assembled section by section. The AI did the heavy lifting. What would normally take hours of designing, writing, arranging, and fine-tuning has been turned into a website that looks custom-built, premium, and ready to put in front of a real customer. And this is just one website. Now imagine doing this for 10 clients, 20 clients, 50 clients. That's when you start to see the real power of Cinematic Sites AI. That's not a website builder anymore. That's a business. Now let me show you how a typical AI-generated website looks, and how website generated with Cinematic Sites AI look. See the difference? Wow! This is something out of the world. You can see the difference, a real difference. Ask yourself, honestly, if a walk-in customer landed on your current website tomorrow and then landed on one of these, which business do you think they'd trust with their money? That's what Cinematic Sites AI does for you. Now for what I promised you. I'm going to show you some sites Cinematic Sites AI has already built. Different industries, different vibes, different price points, all generated by the same platform, all generated from a single prompt. And every single one of them, I promise you, looks more expensive than the site you're running right now. Watch Site 1. This site right here, I'm hosting it on codenestlabs.com, my own custom domain. Because Cinematic Sites AI lets you connect any domain or subdomain and ship instantly. Watch what loaded. Cinematic 3D scenes, scroll-driven motion, bold typography, a template gallery of full 3D worlds, real stats, real testimonial, real call to action. Every pixel generated by Cinematic Sites AI. Live on my own domain. Site 2. Roll it. Wow, look at that hero. That's not a sci-fi film clip or a motion graphics reel from a studio. That's a live cinematic neural interface generated by Cinematic Sites AI, rendering depth, motion, and futuristic atmosphere right inside your browser. Deep tech brand quality visuals, no VFX team, no post-production, no video files, just AI running a full immersive hero on a normal internet connection. Site 3. Stop! Look at that hero! No drone, no coastline shoot, no film crew. That entire cinematic seaside scene was generated by Cinematic Sites AI, moving with your scroll, rendering live in your browser, right now. Luxury real estate visuals that would cost thousands to produce, delivered instantly on any normal connection. Wow, awesome! Site 4. Watch this. No sci-fi shoot, no VFX house, no motion graphics team. That entire cinematic neural interface was generated by Cinematic Sites AI. Depth, atmosphere, futuristic motion, rendering live in your browser right now. Deep tech brand visuals that would cost a fortune to produce, delivered instantly on any normal connection. Site 5. Freeze on this one. No camera, no production crew, no agency deck. Cinematic Sites AI generated the entire DevTools hero, and it's rendering live in your browser right now. Premium developer brand visuals, delivered instantly on any normal connection. Site 6. Watch this. No roastery shoot, no barista session, no product photographer. That entire 3D coffee scene was generated by Cinematic Sites AI. Steam, texture, depth, rendering live in your browser right now. Premium cafe brand visuals that would cost thousands to produce, delivered instantly on any normal connection. Wow! Site 7. Now this. That's not a studio promo. That's not a client showcase reel. That entire cinematic agency hero was generated by Cinematic Sites AI, and it's playing live in your browser. The kind of visual a top-tier design studio would pay a full production crew for, done instantly on any normal connection. Site 8. Check this hero out. Nothing about it was filmed, driven, or edited. Cinematic Sites AI generated the full cinematic race scene, car, circuit, real speed, and it's playing live in your browser on a normal connection. That's the kind of visual top motorsport brands spend a fortune chasing. Wow, awesome, right? Now, let's go to Sites section. This page has all the sites that you have created in this workspace. Every site, status, leads, appointments, backend access, and option to edit them is here. In-generation sites will be shown as generating with progress bar and current status. For every website, you can view the leads, appointment count, AI chat count here. You can view the actual data from these icons. Just click on Edit for Editing Website by clicking here. Just type what you want to be edited, and it will be done. And if you like advanced edit tools, click on Edit with HTML. And if you want to download Site, click on Export HTML. Here comes one of my favorite parts of Cinematic Sites AI. And honestly, if you're planning to sell websites to clients, you're going to love this. It's called White Label Dashboard. Let's say you just created a stunning website and sold it to a client for $1,000. Amazing! But now comes the annoying part. How do you hand it over? Do you download files, upload everything to the customer's hosting, configure everything again, give them access to your own account? Nope. That's the OLD way of doing it. With Cinematic Sites AI, you simply click White Label Access, and instantly you get a separate admin login URL, username, and password for that client. That's it. Just hand those credentials over to your customer, and now they can log in to their website and make the changes they need themselves without giving them access to your main Cinematic Sites AI account. Think about how powerful that is for an agency. You build the website. You sell the website. You hand over their private login. Done. No messy migrations. No complicated hosting handovers. No technical headaches. It gives you a smooth, professional, white label style client handover system built directly into Cinematic Sites AI. Now that is how you run a website business at scale. Pretty awesome, right? Now let me show you a feature I have honestly never seen anywhere else. It's called Lead Generator. It sits inside the Lead Generator section. All you need to do is type in, "I need leads for plumbing business in San Francisco, USA." That's it. That's the whole input. Now watch. Our AI Lead Generator agent finds all business that are dying to pay you money to build their websites. Just click on these leads. Add to pipeline. One click, and that lead is in your outreach queue. Think about what just happened. In under 30 seconds, you went from a vague thought, "I should reach out to that plumbing business," to a fully enriched, actionable, ready-to-contact lead sitting in your pipeline. No spreadsheets, no copy-paste. No, let me just Google their phone number. Cinematic Sites AI did the entire prospecting workflow in the time it took to type a sentence. Here's the pipeline it lands in. Every captured lead, ready to reach with one click. Filter by status, all, new, contacted, qualified, 1. See exactly where every lead sits at a glance. Business, location, contact, website, status, action, 6 columns. Once click on send, and your outreach fires off. No CRM switch, no email tab. Wait, where did I save their address again? It's already there, but wait, when you hit send, what actually goes out? That's the next surprise. Meet Outreach Studio. This is your email template engine. Scroll down, template library, hundreds of ready-to-use templates. Now the next section, appointments, and here's the appointments calendar view. Every appointment shows who it's with, what site they came from, what time it lands, and its status. And they're grouped by site, so if you're running 6 sites, you zoom into just any of this and see its bookings. Clean, per site, no mess. Now next section, website leads. Every lead your live sites capture, from forms, from AI agent chats, from calls, lands in website leads. Total leads, new, qualified, 1, 4 counters, so you always know where the pressure is in your funnel. Filter by site, by source, by date, search by name or email. Every one of these leads came in on autopilot, while you were sleeping, while you were on the school run, while you were on a beach. That's what a business built on Cinematic Sites AI looks like. Finally, analytics, performance across every site in one screen. Now, here just hang on for a second and think about everything you just watched. From one simple prompt, Cinematic Sites AI created stunning, cinematic, motion-rich websites while giving you the AI sales agent, lead generator, outreach engine, pipeline, appointment booking, custom domains, client workspaces, and even private client logins, all inside one platform. But here's what I really want you to see. This is what a typical AI website looks like. And this is what Cinematic Sites AI can create. Look at the difference. The movement, the depth, the animations, the premium feel. These websites simply look more expensive. And that matters. Because look at what people are already charging for websites. $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and in many cases, even more. So, there's no need to wonder whether there's a market for this. The market already exists. People are already paying freelancers and agencies thousands of dollars to build websites. Now imagine being able to walk into that same market with this: a restaurant website, a luxury hotel, a realtor, a local business. And remember, you didn't spend weeks coding these. You didn't hire designers. You didn't learn complicated animation software. You gave Cinematic Sites AI a prompt, and your 20-plus specialized AI agents did the heavy lifting. So, after watching this demo, I don't want you thinking, cool, another website builder. I want you thinking, who can I sell my first website to? Because you now have something businesses can actually see the value in. And once you make the sale, you create the website, give the customer their own private login, and move on to the next client. Build it, sell it, hand it over, repeat. That alone is a massive opportunity. But there's another side to this. Think about everything you would normally need to pay for separately. Website builder, hosting, landing page software, CRM, lead generation, email outreach, appointment booking, AI chatbot, logo creation, copywriting, SEO. You could easily spend hundreds of dollars every single month just putting that stack together. And after paying for all those tools, you still have to make them work together. Cinematic Sites AI brings all of that under one roof, one platform, one login, and for this launch, one ridiculously low one-time price. Now here's the important part. When you see the price on the next screen, do not compare it to the price of another software. Compare it to this. What is just one website client potentially worth to you? Because if one client pays you $1,000 or $2,000 or more, then suddenly the price you're about to see looks very, very different. And that's just one client. What happens with client number 2, number 5, number 10? You've already seen the software working. You've seen the quality it creates. You've seen what freelancers are charging. And you've seen how easy it is to hand the finished website over to your customer. The opportunity is right in front of you. So take a look at the special offer on the next screen. Because once you see what we're charging for Cinematic Sites AI today, I think you're going to realize just how ridiculous this opportunity really is. This is Yogesh Agarwal, and I will see you inside Cinematic Sites AI. Now I am handing over to Rahim.